Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be changing the battery in our Toyota keyless entry. You will need a 2032 battery, which is 3 volt, and I'll put a link in the description where to get that. So the first thing we're going to do is take our key fob, and on the side you're going to see where it says push, and that's where you can take out the mechanical key. So you'll push in on the front and then slide the mechanical key out. Now that leaves us with this little gap right here. So we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and we're just going to simply put it right in here and very gently twist until it separates the key fob. Now what you'll notice as you open this up is sometimes the chipboard that's on the inside doesn't stay in on the button side, so you can't see the battery. So just very carefully flip it over and you'll see that the battery is on the other side. Now it helps to take an even more fine screwdriver and just right here in the back you're going to gently pry up. So once you have it pried up slightly, just like this, then you're going to take the battery and just slide it forward and out. And so that's what it looks like removed. Just don't break any of those clips. So here's the two batteries. Just make sure that they compare, but it's that 2032 is the size that you use here. And so as we're putting this back in, you just want to be very careful to put it in at the bottom first, like this, and try to be as flat as you can as well, and then just push down and it will click. So it's a little nerve-wracking because it doesn't really go behind those other clips. Those other ones give. So at the bottom, set it in like this, and then just push down and it will click into place. There we go. So that's what it looks like. Just make sure that all of the clips are surrounding the battery at this point, and then it has the plus facing towards us. So see the plus sign here? That's the positive side of the battery, and it needs to be facing up. Now we can reattach our case, so just make sure that if the chip had come out, that the buttons are lined up properly. See how it kind of floats around in there? So you want to set it flat, make sure it's in place, and then just put the two halves together and gently push together and it will snap back together. Okay, now test it. Okay, everything seems good here. So we're going to go ahead and put our mechanical key back in the side. So we'll flip it over here, click it into place, and we're good to go. Now what I like to also do is buy these batteries maybe in a different pack, and then you can just put them inside of your owner's manual, and you have one in the future if it goes dead on you out in the middle of nowhere. So what if you are out in the middle of nowhere and the battery's dead? Well, what you can do is push and take out the mechanical key section here. Then you can use that to actually gain access into the vehicle by turning it one way or the other to unlock the door. Once you're inside the vehicle, then you hold your key fob a few inches away from the start button, and then when you push the start button, it will recognize it even without the battery. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and check the video description where I have a playlist on other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks guys.